Hello, thank you for visiting my video channel. I'm attorney Joe Litvak. I'm licensed to practice in Pennsylvania and North Carolina. I practice bankruptcy, tax, business law, lemon law, and immigration. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only. This is not a legal advice, and I encourage you to seek help from a licensed attorney in your jurisdiction. In my bankruptcy practice, I often encounter a question regarding the possibility of wage or bank accounts garnishment. Garnishment is a request or an order to a bank, a business, or an individual that is currently holding some funds, or that might be holding funds in the near future, or some expected property or financial rights, to withhold a certain amount of money from the account for the benefit of some creditor. The most common examples of garnishments are wage garnishments, and also when the employer is asked to withhold a certain amount of money from the salary and then forward them to a certain entity. This type of garnishment is very common with delinquent child support and spousal support, also from other jurisdictions that actually allow regular creditors to get a wage garnishment. The IRS and state tax collectors are also very common via wage garnishment. Usually a debtor will receive some kind of notice regarding the garnished wages, including a note from the employer regarding the withholding. The second most common type of garnishment is a bank account garnishment. This is a collection activity when a bank, or in some case an insurance company, receives a notice from a creditor to withhold some funds from a certain account that currently has money or will be expecting money in the future. Again, a notice must be served on the account holder, but usually right after this or simultaneously with the notice, the banking institution will issue a notice to the debtor as well to prevent quick or unlawful withdrawal of the funds. While garnishments are very widely acceptable and known in many states and jurisdictions, it is available in Pennsylvania only in very limited circumstances. It has to be a judgment for child support or spousal support, including out-of-state obligations. It has to be some obligations related to final divorce decree and property distribution. It has to be a student loan debt. It has to be delinquent. It can be delinquent rent and eviction expenses in very limited circumstances. And then restitutions for criminal cases. Finally, account garnishments are available in Pennsylvania for certain types of taxes, federal taxes and state taxes, Pennsylvania state taxes. Also, in some limited circumstances, garnishments are available in Pennsylvania to satisfy a legal out-of-state civil judgment where a wage garnishment or account garnishment is legal, for instance in New Jersey or Ohio. Many people report that collection agencies and representatives threaten some debtors with garnishment proceedings. In Pennsylvania, this kind of garnishment might be a direct violation of Fair Debt Collection Practice Act. I advise my client to make very good record of the incident by writing down the time and name of the person or entity initiating such action. Further, I evaluate the incident and determine if it's worth pursuing it in a court of law. If I find the incident to be within the violation of the act, no out-of-pocket expenses or fees are incurred by my clients, but substantial fines per each incident of violation is available as a remedy. I hope this informational video was useful and informative for you. I look forward to provide my legal services to you. Thank you so much.